Today I want to show you guys this juicer. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. This is really simple unit. The operation is very easy. So once you receive your package, you will see two pieces, and in order to like lock and unlock this, you would open this lid. If you try to twist, it's not gonna work while the lid is closed. You would just open the lid and turn it, and you can easily remove this, and you can just take out this piece, just wiggle a little bit, it will come out. This is the main thing, that it just squeeze everything. And over here you can just take this out and just wash it. Really easy operation. That's pretty much it. So once you just washed it, you just push this down, make sure it just fits, and you are ready to go. So you will just put this inside, and you see there is alignment arrow, so that you need to align that, and you can just close. So the juice comes from here, the pulp comes out from there, and you don't need to really cut the things, but in order to put a bunch of stuff uh, to save space, you can just do so. So you can just fill it up whatever you want. So I have a bunch of different fruit you can just put, and you can also add from the top as well, just like this, while it's running, so you can easily refill. So let's go ahead and turn it on. There is two options. You can just press and hold in case you want to just trigger. You can see just like this, you just press and let it go, it just stays. But if you push it up, you will see it will continue running, and you will see it will just grind, and the juice will stay here, and you can see it will just piling up, and you see the pulp will just drop from there. If you open this, it will come out, so you can continue feeding the top like this. And it's better to just take out some juice, just like this. You can see you can keep it on. As you see, it just provides really nice juice. You can see you have this. You can put bigger cup, this comes with it in case you have more things coming out. You can see this also takes all the pulp inside, and you can see it is pretty dry. It doesn't really so let's just pull this out. Let me turn this off. So you can see it just made really nice squeeze, and over here we have the pulps coming out. So you can see it's not really let's show you guys. It doesn't have a lot of moisture left inside. It is pretty dry, so it does really good job. And you can see from that much amount of fruit, it give huge cup, so that is really nice, and it feels really delicious. So I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.